It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 22nd of October. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking good today through the weekend thanks to a new surge of dry air dropping in. But next week, the weather will be active, maybe some severe storms by the middle of next week. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. A new trough is evolving over the eastern part of the United States, big upper low that's over eastern Canada. And a cold front pushing through the southeastern corner of the state. That was the radar just before 5 o'clock this morning. Thunderstorms from near Atmore back over toward Eufaula. Those will be clearing the state soon, and most everybody will enjoy a bright, sunny day today. And here comes the new surge of cooler air. Temperatures are in the upper 40s over northwest Alabama, but 60s down in South Alabama in advance of the front. But the dry air wins the battle today. We have a dense fog advisory for about the northern half of the state early this morning. That will be dissipating in the next couple of hours. Otherwise, around the nation, pretty quiet. We note parts of northern California under a flash flood watch. They're going to see a lot of rain for the next 7 days, and certainly going to help the drought situation there. Got a couple of marginal risks of severe storms today, one over eastern North Carolina, one over Kansas and Oklahoma. Tomorrow, a chance of severe storms out across the nation's heartland. And look at this. On day 3, which is Sunday, we have an enhanced risk of severe storms for parts of Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, risk surrounding that almost up to Chicago and down to Dallas-Fort Worth. And we note there is no risk defined on Monday for Alabama, but we'll watch the system carefully. This is day 5, Tuesday. With the next system, there's a chance of severe storms from North Texas up into Oklahoma and Kansas. And on day 6, Wednesday, we have a risk of severe storms defined for about the southern half of Alabama, with a pretty impressive trough coming in here. And we'll talk more about this as we go through modeling. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, some really big numbers for parts of California, Oregon, and Washington State. That's drought-busting type rain for them. Down here, the amount's about 1 inch between now and Friday morning of next week. And the tropics in the Atlantic Basin all remains calm. Model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 4, troughing over the east, and a beautiful day today. Sunny, highs between 72 and 75. Tomorrow, a sunny day. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the mid to upper 70s. Great day for college football. Sunday, warm and dry. The high will be around 80 with a sunny sky. And then Monday, that next feature comes in here with a chance of showers, maybe some thunder. The main dynamic support passing a bit north of here. This is the European. It looks very similar. The surface low, it's over Ohio, just below Cleveland. And there is some instability over the southern two-thirds of the state, but the numbers are not as high as we have seen on recent runs. So chance of showers, maybe a strong storm on Monday. And then Tuesday, things are pretty quiet. There could be a brief shower somewhere. Much of the day will be dry. And then Wednesday, here comes the next system. And this will have some pretty good upper air support. And we note there is unstable air in place pretty much statewide. So based on the strength of the upper trough, the wind fields, there could be severe storms on Wednesday of next week. And you saw the SPC outlook for the southern half of the state. But obviously, it's a little early to be specific about the threats and the timing and all that. Just be aware we have the chance of strong to severe storms on Wednesday. And then a surge of cool, dry air blowing in here Thursday of next week. Highs probably dropping in the 60s. And this is a week from today, Friday the 29th, troughing onto the east and a beautiful fall day. We'll go out 10 days. This is Halloween, Sunday, October 31st. Northwest flow aloft, and again, just great weather. So at this point, that Halloween weekend looks very, very nice, cool, with highs in the 60s and lows in the 40s. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean about 1.5 inches between now and the 5th of November. Temperatures will be close to 80 Sunday. Then mostly 70s for the first half of next week, and then highs dropping in the 60s and lows in the 40s by a week from today and that following weekend, which is Halloween weekend on into the 1st of November. And the CPC outlook, this is for October 29th through November 4th. Temperatures around here would be very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.